More after the abrupt closure of Retreat Behavioral Health's inpatient and outpatient centers in New Haven.
Yeah, we now know that 2 company executives died by suicide last week. And as for the workers, they're still waiting for their paychecks. They also are trying to find out what's next for them if they're going to be working at other locations. Fox 61's Lindsay Kane is live in New Haven with more details. And Lindsay, I have to imagine this is really frustrating for all their employees.
Hi, good morning. Yes, employees have said they're just left in the dark about exactly what's going on regarding these abrupt closures. Now, there's more than 160 employees that are impacted here in Connecticut. So workers have been told to go home, but they haven't gotten their paychecks for the hours that they have worked. Now, the U.S. Department of Labor is investigating. Retreat Behavioral Health has locations here in New Haven, also in Pennsylvania and in Florida, but those locations abruptly closed as well. Our sister station in Pennsylvania first reported 2 company executives died by suicide. The company's president and CEO, Peter Shore, and the chief administrative officer, Scott Kowarski, last week. Meanwhile, new reporting shows the company was facing financial troubles. According to the New Haven Independent, the company owes hundreds of thousands of dollars in back taxes to New Haven. The next bill is due next week. Employees are still left in the dark about this closure and exactly when and if their next paycheck will be coming. The New Haven sites discharged their patients last week. The same happened at Pennsylvania and Florida locations. Workers say they've developed relationships with their patients and they're now all on their own.
I cry for them. I actually, have emotions and feelings that they're going through because I feel like they were getting in the treatment that they needed, but it wasn't enough. You just basically yanked it from them.
Again, the U.S. Department of Labor is investigating. We're also waiting to see if Connecticut officials and New Haven city officials are going to be taking any action as well. Live in New Haven this morning, Lindsay Kane, Fox 61, Connecticut's news station.